With 3 points of quality assurance, including pre-shipment inspections, random factory audits, and even packaging inspections, Enginetech is leading the way as a premier wholesaler of internal engine parts. Due to our commitment to quality, all stock replacement Enginetech parts qualify for our lifetime warranty when professionally installed. Our on-site engineers check each part in our extensive product catalog, measuring and testing to ensure each part meets the highest material standards. Our parts are closely examined and magnified to check for flaws, debris, or damage. As an Enginetech customer, you have peace of mind, knowing that our experts are monitoring part history and quarantining non-conforming products so that only the highest quality parts are shipped out to our customers. Enginetech's factories are ISO certified and all parts go through a pre-shipment inspection, in addition to our own in-house quality testing. We are proud to meet and exceed original equipment standards so that you, our customer, receive the absolute best. Our packaging department completes the third round of quality testing to ensure each kit is complete and in pristine condition. Enginetech's renowned customer service does not stop there, however. Our on-site engineering team is available to answer customer questions timely and completely. Whether it is pistons, camshafts, or anything else, our friendly and attentive engineering team is here to support you. We encourage you to experience the Enginetech difference. Contact us today to place an order or to learn more about our quality engine products.